In this lesson plan, we have to study the equality between two matrices. Equality between two matrices means that two matrices having same order and elements are also same. Then the matrix are known as equal matrix. Now, if A and B the two matrices if A and B with the two matrices, then if what is the condition? Two matrices are in same order. Second condition is elements are also same. That is, to take an example, like A matrix is A, B, C, D, and B matrix like is P, Q, R, S. A matrix like is A, B, C, D, and B matrix like is P, Q, R, S. A matrix having two rows and two columns. That is, the matrix is 2 by 2 order. Similarly, matrix B also have two rows and two columns. So also 2 by 2 order. The condition of equality like as A matrix equal to B matrix if they have same order and elements are also same. That like implies A, B, C, D equal to P, Q, R, S. That means the order is same of these two matrices and elements are also same and they have equal. Like it's A elements is equal to P elements. Corresponding elements are same and similarly B elements is equal to Q and C equal to R and D equal to S. The matrices are said to be equal matrix if elements are same and order is also same. Again, another examples of matrix equality between two matrix like is X, Y, A, B is equal to 1, 5, 0, 8. This is the matrix of order 2 by 2. This is also the matrix 2 by 2. The conditions for equality if order is same. This is the order is same, 2 row, 2 columns. This is also 2 row and 2 columns. So like elements is also are same. So that X equal to 1 and Y equal to 5. It implies also A equal to 0 and B equal to 8. Now, the question will be given. Find the values of X and Y if condition will be given X minus 2, 7, 9, Y plus 2. equal to 8, 7, 9, 6. We can find the values of x and y. And the condition will be given two matrices are said to be equal. So that we can comparison two matrices and find the values of x and y. So that this condition will be given two matrices are equal. That means x minus 2 equal to 8. Corresponding elements are equal. Equality condition means that matrix have equal orders and elements, corresponding elements are same. That means x minus 2 equal to 8 and that implies x equal to 8 plus 2, that is x equal to 10. Now find the values of y. Since x equal to 10, now we can find the values of y. In the y condition will be y plus 2 equal to 6 and that implies y equal to 6 minus 2. That implies y equal to 4. Hence x equal to 10 and y equal to 4. In this way, we can find the values of x, y, x and y for the equality condition of two matrices. Now we can study the algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices means we can add and subtract and multiplications of between the matrices. That is, first we can study the addition of two matrices. Additions of two matrices means we can add the two matrices due to find the values of final matrix, and the matrix addition will be possible if the two matrices having same order. Added if they have same order. Two matrices are said to be added. Two matrices are to be added if they have same order. Matrix addition will be possible if the matrices have same order, like the matrix. If you can take a matrix, A matrix equal to A, B, C, D, and B matrix is P, Q, R, S. A matrix having two rows, the horizontal lines are known as rows. So this matrix is two rows. This is the R1, this is R2. This is the column 1, this is column 2. So the matrix is order having 2 by 2 order. And B matrix is also 2 rows and 2 columns. So the matrix is 2 by 2 order. The condition for additions of two matrices if the matrix having same order, that means is that 2 by 2 order, is that 2 by 2 order matrix. So addition is not possible. Then we can add the matrices A plus B equal to A, B, C, D. This is the entries or elements of the matrix A plus B matrix will be P, Q, R, S. So we can add a respective element with respective element. That means first elements of first row will be added with second matrix first elements of first row. That is A plus P. Similarly, the first row, second column and element is B. This will be added with that. So B plus Q. Similarly, second row element of C added with second matrix of R. This C plus R. The last element will added D plus S. In this way, we can add the two matrices. This is also a 2 by 2 order matrices. Similarly, the subtraction will be possible if also the matrix having same order. Subtractions of two matrices. What is the conditions? The condition will be also the two matrices having same order, then possible to subtract. Like A matrix A, B and C, D, and B matrix will be P, Q, R, S. Same way we can subtract. Like A subtract B is A matrix will be A, B and C, D. B matrix will be P, Q, R, S. That is, we can subtract the respective element with respective element. That means A can be subtracted, the first elements of the first row can be subtracted with first element of second matrix. That is A minus P. Similarly, B minus Q, C minus R, and D minus S.